Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Large, powerful guns fired shells weighing up to 1,700 pounds, destroying distant targets and littering the battlefield with shell craters and human bodies. Some soldiers took cover in the craters.
Somehow we felt that huge shell coming. How? I don't know. I felt that monster hurl directly over my head. My heart had one of the quickest jumps of its life.
Some, less fortunate, were traumatized, mutilated, or blown to bits. Over 1 billion artillery shells were launched on World War I battlefields. On average, over 7 rounds were fired per second for 4 years.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.